Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. We are continuing from where we stopped in the previous video. So we are going to continue with question number 45. So 45, it says the number, or if a coin is tossed twice, what is the probability of getting a head and a tail? The options given are A, 1 over 3, B, 1 over 2, C, 2 over 3, D, 3 over 4, and E, 4 over 5. Okay, now a coin has two faces, the head and the tail. So when this coin is tossed twice, okay, so these are the possible outcome we expected to see. Okay, head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. So a coin with two faces, when tossed twice, have the following possible outcome: head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Now the question says, what is the probability of getting a head and a tail? Here we have head, tail, tail, head. So we have two outcomes, and the total possible outcome is 4. So the probability of getting a head and a tail is 2 out of 4. Now when you simplify this, you have 1 over 2. So the answer, the correct option is B. B is the correct option. Okay, the next question says 46. It says, find the sum of the median and the range of the following sets of numbers: 1, 4, 2, 5, and 3. The options given are A, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, first and foremost, we are going to find the median and the range. So let's arrange the number in ascending order. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can see clearly that the median is 3. Okay, now the range is the difference between the largest and the smallest number. So the range is equal to 5 minus 1, which is 4. Now the question says, find the sum of the median and the range. The sum of median and range. So the sum is equal to 3 plus 4, which is 7. So the correct option in the question is option E, is the correct option. All right, so let's take the next question. The next question, question number 47. 47, it says, find the mode of the following sets of numbers. Now the numbers are 7, 7, 15, 12, 9, 5, 1, 7, 5, and 12. Okay, so we are going to find the mode of this set of data. Now let's clean this other side. All right, to find the mode, we need to arrange this in ascending order and then find their frequency. So we have the numbers and the frequency. So the smallest number there is 1, and the frequency, it occurs only one time. The next is 5. So we have 5, and it appears 2 times. The next is 7. 7, and it appears 3 times. So we have 3. The next is 9. 9, and it appears only one time. The next is 12. 12, and it appears only 2 times. The next is 15. 15, and it appears only once. Okay? From this, we can now check which of these numbers have the highest frequency, which is the definition of mode. The mode is in a set of data is that particular number that have the highest frequency. So you can see that 7 have the highest frequency. So 7 is the mode in this set of data. So now let's get the options. The options given to us: A, we have 5.0, B, we have 7.0, C, we have 7.5, D, we have 8.0, and E, we have 8.5. So you can see that option B is the correct answer because 7 is the mode. It has the highest frequency. All right, let's look at the next question. The next question. Question number 48. It says, the graphical representation of statistical data in block form joined together is A, bar charts, B, histogram, C, pictogram, D, data, and E, pie charts. All right, so the question says, the graphical representation of a statistical data is in block form joined together is one of the options. So now let's check it out. Whenever we have the following, now look at this, a bar chart. The bar chart is in this form. This is called a bar chart. The bars are not joined together. Histogram, we have something like this. The bars are joined together. Then we have pictogram, which are pictures of things. pictures of things, and then pie charts. We have something like this. Okay, pie chart. So you can see that histogram is the correct option. The question says the graphical representation of statistical data in block form joined together. Block form joined together is a histogram. Histogram. So histogram is the correct option in the question. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.